from the first cut to finished quality product. Take the shortcut with the Evolution from HolzHer. The Evolution series from HolzHer, vertical CNC machining centers that demonstrate ingenious industrial design and extremely sturdy construction using only high-quality components. Requiring a floor space of less than 5 square meters, this unique CNC machine offers the capacity of a full-blown CNC machining center. The proven and very versatile HOPS software package offers a wealth of macros and a simple user-friendly programming platform. The optional cabinet control software is an ideal addition to get started. Designing cabinets and creating the matching CNC programs is just a matter of a few mouse clicks. Panels of up to 3,200 millimeters in length and 920 millimeters in height can be machined without additional support rollers. The maximum weight of the workpieces can be up to 75 kilograms. The automated adjustment to the workpiece allows thicknesses between 8 and 70 millimeters without operator adjustment. Even very small workpieces of 200 by 70 millimeters are no problem. Sturdy roller beams make for smooth and precise panel transport and support. The patent-pending work holding utilizing vacuum suction pods is software controlled. The cups will automatically position themselves, allowing for machining of workpieces of up to 1,500 millimeters on all 4 sides, without reclamping cycles. Besides unmatched versatility, this system also makes for extremely short cycle times and precision on long workpieces. The drill head is fully equipped for line drilling in X and Y direction, as well as for grooving cuts with the integrated X-axis saw. 6 horizontal drills make for precise dowel and hardware drilling. The integrated tool optimization of the software further reduces machining time and travel. The optional heavy-duty 5.6 kilowatt spindle offers a tool diameter capacity of up to 80 millimeters diameter. The results are absolutely precisely milled and drilled workpieces. The final step to a high-quality product is a perfectly machined panel. The Evolution by HolzHer, the solution for growth of your business. Contact your HolzHer partner for a live demonstration.